Good afternoon, students. Today we shall discuss about chapter number 5 of geography, that is natural vegetation and wildlife. And yesterday we have discussed about different types. First was tropical evergreen forest and second was tropical deciduous forest. Tropical deciduous forest is divided into two parts, moist deciduous and dry deciduous. And today we shall discuss about that one type of vegetation, that is the thorn forest. The natural vegetation consists of thorny trees and bushes. This type of vegetation is found in the northwestern part of the country, including semi-arid areas of Gujarat, Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh and Haryana. I am repeating once again. The natural vegetation consists of thorny trees and bushes, as well as this type of vegetation is found in the northwestern part of the country, including semi-arid areas of Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh and Haryana. Now, what are the main features of thorn forest? What are the main features of thorn forest? We shall discuss about these forests one by one. First is trees are scattered and have long roots penetrating deep into soil to get the moisture. Penetrating deep into the soil, or you can say under the ground to get the moisture. Second is what? Second feature is the stems are moist to conserve water. The stems are moist to conserve water. And the third feature is that leaves are mostly thick and small. The leaves are mostly thick and small. In thorn forest, leaves are mostly thick and small to minimize evaporation. Minimize evaporation. Fourth feature is what? Fourth feature is there are different types of trees which are found in thorn forest. They are palm and cacti. Palm tree and cacti are most famous plants found in these areas. I am repeating once again the main features. The main features are trees are scattered and have long roots penetrating deep into soil to get moisture. Penetrating deep into get moisture. The stems are moist to conserve water. The thorns are moist to conserve water. The leaves are mostly thick and small to minimize evaporation. Palm tree and cacti are most famous plants found in these areas. Common animals which are found in the thorn forest. They are rats, mice. Rats are found there, mice are found there, as well as wolf, tiger, and lion are found in the thorn forest. Clear to all of you? Next type is mountain forest. Where these mountain forests are found, these mountain, as the name suggests, mountain forests are found in where? They are found in mountains. That's why they are known as what? They are known as mountain forest. Now, as like other vegetation, there are some features of mountain forest also. We shall take these features one by one. Main features of mountain forests. Mountain forests. What are these? First feature is the wet temperate type of forest are found between a height of 1000 to 2000 meter. These wet type of wet temperate, you can say wet temperate type of forests found in the height of 1000 meter to, these are found at the height of 1000 to near about 3000 meter. These wet temperate type of forests are found between a height of 1000 meter to 2000 or 3000 meter. 2000 or 3000 meter. This is the main feature of mountain type of forest. And at high altitudes, generally at high altitude, what happens? More than 3600 meters above the sea level, temperate forest and grasslands give way to the alpine vegetation. It means at the height of 3600 meter, which type of vegetation is found? Alpine type of vegetation is found. Then third feature is alpine grasslands. Alpine grasslands you can see at the height of 3600 meter, what is found there? There are grassland. Alpine grasslands are used for what? They are used for grazing. Animals, they are using these alpine grasslands. Then the next feature is what? At higher altitudes, mosses and lichens form part of tundra vegetation. More than 3600 meter, at high altitudes, when there is low temperature is also there, moisture is also there, then mosses and lichen, that is a type of vegetation. Mosses and lichens form part of tundra vegetation. Form a part of tundra vegetation. And the fifth feature is which type of animals are found on mountain forest. Here Kashmiri stag, wolf, lion, tiger, as well as jackrabbit, Tibetan antelope, jackrabbit, Tibetan antelope are mostly found, as well as yak, snow leopard, squirrels, shaggy horn wild ibex, bear and rare red panda, sheep and goat. So many animals are found on the mountain forest. I am repeating these points once again. One of the type, first is tropical evergreen, second is tropical deciduous. Before this we have discussed about tropical thorn forest. Now this is fourth type, which is mountain forest. As the name suggests, mountain forests are found where? They are found on the in the mountains. Main feature of mountain forest are what? These wet temperate types of forest are found between the height of 1000 to 2000 3000 meter. At high altitudes, generally more than, you can say, 3600 meter, alpine type of vegetation is found. And this alpine type of vegetation, they are known as grasslands, and they are generally used for what? Grazing. Animals use this alpine grassland for grazing. And at more higher altitudes, mosses and lichens form part of tundra vegetation. Then Kashmiri stag, wolf, lion, spotted deer, wild sheep, Tibetan antelope, yak, snow leopard, squirrels, shaggy horn wild ibex, bear, rare red pandas, sheep, goats, so many animals found on where? On mountain forests. Clear?